Hey guys, it's me, Jerry Metalman Battaglia, and I'm out here in an undisclosed location in Long Island, New York. I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of this yard. If you have any questions, please call me at 631-620-1046. Again, 631-620-1046. Also, please like and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel because I'm going to have more and more videos like this. Guys, this is the rarest find of cars from the 50s that I ever found so far, okay? Some of them are parts, some of them are restoration, but everything is for sale in this yard. We found rusty gold about a week ago where there was hundreds of different cars, but guys, this is an awesome find because I love cars from the 50s. So check this. So we have what, 55 Buick here. If there's anything you guys see, everything's for sale. There's a Corvette, 82 Corvette, 1980 Corvette, Volkswagen Beetle, there's a 79 Corvette here as well. There's no motor in here, guys.
That's a 57 two-door post.
57 two-door post. There's a frame here.
55 and 56.
55 or 56 Chevy frame. Anybody needs a frame? There's the Beetle.
Do this one. It's a TVR.
Here's a TVR. There's parts all over.
Don't do that 57 back there if you could help.
Okay.
The black one.
Okay.
I don't want to do that one.
Here's another 56.
55.
Oh,
Two-lane
55.
blacktop. Two-lane blacktop. That's a 31 Chevy upside down four-door.
31 Chevy upside down four-door.
That's a 56 two-door wagon.
56 two-door wagon. And guys, everything is for sale. If you have any questions, please call me at 631-620-1046.
Don't do that one.
Okay, hold on.
That's a 55 two-door hardtop. No post over there.
Okay, let me get around here. Guys, it's a 55 two-door hardtop.
There's two of them.
There's two of them. Let me get closer.
Four-door over there.
Guys, all the parts are for sale.
31 five-window coupe is that one right there. Chevy.
31
Five-window coupe.
five-window coupe. The 55 Chevys over here. There's parts all over.
Just don't let it down here. That's a 55 four-door behind my oil tank.
Okay,
Don't fall, Jared.
I got it. Pretty cool, right?
Oh,
So guys, like I said, I'm on undisclosed location. There's a 55 four-door right here. Any parts you may need, you can reach out to me, 631-620-1046. And I can get you in touch with the owner. What's back there, that blue car?
the blue car's a Falcon.
Oh yeah, yeah.
The one behind is a 57 Ford.
Okay. Ford Falcon. 57 four-door. A lot of rusty gold back here, guys. So cool. Parts, window regulators, chrome pieces, rims. Coming through this side. Another 55 four-door. Windshields. All the glass. Parts, radiators, chrome pieces. Okay. Some rusty gold here, guys. Tri-5 galore. Tri-5 parts galore.
Oh, there is complete original. Untouched, 265 automatic.
This one here,
Yep, looks like yours.
55 two-door.
Yep.
Complete. Original. Needs restoration, but
Over there.
good parts car. Or good to restore. Like I said, everything is for sale. Cut the caps off. The wagon here,
55 wagon.
55 wagon.
I don't know, man.
Is that a kit car right there? A Bugatti kit car.
Well, MGTD.
MGTD kit car. Another Volkswagen. Want to walk to the other side?
The other side of the yard?
Yeah.
Okay, go this way.
Okay. But there's just other stuff back here. Okay. This is so awesome. All these Tri-5s in here. All these parts.
Be careful, guys.
I got it. The MGB over here too.
Midget.
Little midget.
5 midgets.
There's 5 midgets back here.
That's where you're walking on that floor.
I got it. So guys, we're gonna go to the other side. There's more cars, more parts. If you need anything, like I said, please call Jerry Middleman Battaglia. 631-620-1046. I love coming over here, and just reminds me of it as when I was a kid going through my father's junkyard and checking out all the cars. So we're going to show you this side of the yard. '56 Chevy.
Sport coupe.
56 Chevy Sports Coupe, guys.
That's a Falcon Futura over there. And a 39 DeSoto. Coupe.
39 DeSoto and a Falcon Futura.
63.
1963 Ford Falcon.
Futura. No post.
No post on
Rare
that
car.
one. Very rare car,
Yep.
as Mike says.
That's a rare car. Watch ahead. It's 56 fiberglass fenders.
Oop.
Fiberglass 56 fenders. And then all of that.
And all of this, guys, is MG here.
5 of those MGs.
5 MGs. Anybody needs any MG parts, wants to buy the cars, everything is for sale. A little Geo. Another 55 Chevy. 4-door car. Pretty awesome.
Car on the track, that is a 32 Opel.
Okay. 57 Chevy 4-door. 1932 Opel. '56 here, 2-door.
That's a 57, that one.
Oh, 57, sorry. 55 two-door post here, right corner. Another two-door.
Four-door parts. The one next to it's a four-door.
So 4-door parts, 55 two-door post, 4-door parts. Anybody wants a good project? There's a 57 two-door hardtop there. Okay, hold on.
That's a 57, that one.
Okay.
That chassis got side mounts, disc brakes, 9-inch fork rear. Springs are moved into the frame. In the back.
Just walk it through, guys. Sorry about the camera stuff. Tell me about this car again, the 57 here.
Yep. It's got a nice frame under it.
There's
All
the
done.
Opel.
Yeah. Four-door wagon.
4-door wagon right here. There's another MG. Another MG. It's a pickup, right?
1930 Chevy, complete. Everything's there for that. The whole nose is there, everything. Fenders and all. 56 feet of hardtop behind it.
56 two-door hardtop.
The 55 in the corner, and the one in front of it is 55 feet with a straight axle. This one over here. That's a 55 with a straight axle.
This one's a 55 with a straight axle.
Yep.
And back there is another parts car.
That's a 55 four-door.
55 4-door. So guys, if you need any parts, just give me a call and I'll switch you over to the owner. My phone number is 631-620-1046. You can come do local pickup if you're local. It'd be the best thing. If you want to come out and buy some cars, everything is for sale. This is Rusty Gold, guys. So awesome. Was that a nose to IROC Camaro Z28? Yeah. So cool.
Yeah. It's another 5 and 6 frame right here. 55, 56.
You guys need frames? Everything's for sale. Everything must go. Bumper.
56.
There's so many parts and rears and heads and headers and motors and transmissions. Everything's available. So guys, I want to thank you so much for checking out this video. Please like and share with any Tri-5 enthusiast. Again, Jerry Metalman Battaglia coming to you from a undisclosed location in Long Island, New York. We're in Eastern Long Island. So give me a call, 631-620-1046, and I'll introduce you to the owner of all these cars. Okay, have a great day. Like again, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share this video. Please leave your comments down below. And guys, have a great day. Thank you so much.